Pro Grip Clamp, ideal for one-person installation. This siding mounting block gauges and support the next course for nailing, with virtually no layout time, making any job ideal for one-person installation, with more accuracy, and 50% faster. Siding tools, slide it, lock it, nail it. These hands-free clips are designed to hold the board at the correct height and help install fiber cement siding easily, with less fatigue, while producing accurate and consistent siding reveals. Mounting block. Our gauges can be adjusted for 5, 6, 7 and 8 siding reveals, and the patented friction cam mechanism supports full 12 cement board siding lengths. This feature ensures perfect and equal spacing between each board. Professional equipment. Take your siding project to the next level with our heavy-duty contractor-grade aluminum house siding tool. This product is recommended for use with primed, non-painted, siding products. PacTool, trusted for decades. We are the leaders in specialized construction, renovation, and remodeling designs. Our cutting-edge product line inspires craftspeople and DIYers to work smarter, measure better, and repair more efficiently. Top reviews from the United States. The greatest thing since sliced bread. Love that it was made out of aluminum. They do have ones made out of plastic. Spend the few dollars and get the metal ones. Makes siding a home so much easier. In fact, I ordered another set to make the job go faster. Definitely watch YouTube videos to understand how they work.